Rain, wind, thunderstorms, frost, cloudy skies, it's all in the forecast. We have a lot to cover for this afternoon all the way through the weekend. So starting things out, a first alert weather day has been issued for tomorrow. We have a chance for rain, thunderstorms, and very gusty winds. By Friday, we could see some areas of patchy frost across the southern valley. Clouds will limit that potential more to the north, and a better potential for widespread frost will come on Saturday. So let's break things down a little bit. Afternoon for today, things aren't looking too bad. We're seeing increasing clouds, 53 degrees in Fargo after a chilly start in the 30s. The wind is out of the north at 14 miles per hour. Still hanging on to 42 degrees in Devil's Lake, 46 in Valley City, 45 up in Langdon. But we are seeing some 50s now, near 60 degrees in northwestern Minnesota, 58 in Bemidji, Baudette, 55 in Wadena, 61 in Fergus Falls. Looking at satellite and radar, we're seeing the most sunshine out in this area with those warmer temps, but off to the west we have that cloud cover increasing, and it's going to continue to move into our region throughout the afternoon. And that's bringing us a lot of changes, because down to the south and west is the Colorado low that we have been talking about, already bringing some heavy rain down in South Dakota, heading up towards Rapid City. And look at this, the higher elevations of Wyoming and Montana already starting to see some snow. We have a first alert weather day for tomorrow, not for any snow. We are talking wind and rain and chance for thunderstorms for our Wednesday. That impressive storm is going to continue to move from the southwest up to the north and east, bringing thunderstorms and the chance for 1 to 2 inches of widespread rain, some areas even more. As for wind, we could see those gusts exceeding 40 miles per hour from time to time. And as we just saw, higher elevations already starting to see some of that snow and rain snow mix. So let's time things out in your hour-by-hour forecast. Here's the big picture for this afternoon, starting at around 3:30. That snow still far out west, the heavier rain starting to move north, and then this whole system starts to track a little bit more to the east. Overnight, we have a chance for a few spotty showers, but still the best chance off to the west. The rain builds in through the overnight hours, and by your morning commute, I expect many of us to be seeing some rain, with lighter rain for our Minnesota counties, heavier rain through the Devil's Lake Basin, James River Valley, and again, points off to the west. So it might be tricky along I-94 and portions of I-29, especially when we start to see that wind pick up. It'll be the raining sideways kind of rain, and it's going to be a cold rain as well. Here we are now by noon. If you have any lunch plans, pack the umbrella and the raincoat. Actually, the umbrella might blow away. Raincoat, a better idea. There is a potential for a little bit of a break in the southern valley early afternoon with some redeveloping thunderstorm chances in the southern valley for tomorrow late afternoon and evening. Right now, we're not highlighted in any risk of severe by the Storm Prediction Center, but we will be watching that very closely. By Wednesday night and into Thursday morning, the storm lifts off to the north, but widespread 1 to 2 inches of rainfall in the areas in yellow, 2 to 3 inches possible in the areas shaded in orange. Another first alert weather day coming by Saturday, this time for some widespread frost. Again, Friday morning, we have a chance for some patchy frost in the southern valley, but widespread, even some isolated areas of freeze possible. So bring in those potted plants and cover the sensitive vegetation. For today, though, temperatures warming up into the 40s, up to the Devil's Lake Basin with some 60s out towards Wadena. And then, Brian, to wrap up the week, things are looking much cooler with highs only in the 50s.
It sounds like we're going to have to just be extra cautious these next few days.
Yes.
Thank you.